going now.
Steven is about to die!
Oh. Okay, don't turn it. Note to self. Okay, go. The wheel's broken. Okay, one more.
This worked out really well.
I'll keep it straight. Wait, car. Wait. Oh, it's gonna turn. Go.
Bye, Steven!
Something's broken and this is definitely
It's the wheel.
I'm aware it's the wheel. Alright, one more. We're almost there. One more? Yeah, I want to get all the way down because it looks like it's a good bump.
Okay.
One. Ready? If I just record. Set.
Go!
Go. That was a failure.
Epic fail.
Like a scooter. Let's go one more. Oh, go. It's turning. Like spit car took over. No, don't do it. No, I'm gonna race it.
Oops.
Wait, I missed that. That's what you do that. What do you mean you missed it? I just turned it on like my ass. It's an important part, man.
Ah, you'll be okay.
Ready? You go backwards.
Ooh, that's even funner.
Oh my god, this is perfect.
Bye! Steven, come back!
No, I was almost there.
Stop.
I started steering it.
Oh my god, that was
This
great.
is how you steer it from backwards. See, I'm smart.
Oh, there were no cars coming.
Oh.
Darn.
Just trying to look out.
Did you have fun?
Well, I thought I was gonna die. Ow! Oh, that was stupid. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
So how do you feel?
Yeah.
Nauseous?
Nauseous, really?
Here, Brendel's your turn.
Did you have fun going in
Great
circles?
time. Great time.
Okay.
Here, it's Brendel's turn now.
Okay.
His turn to die. I mean, have fun.